Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how to cheat on tests using artificial intelligence, also called AI and ChatGPT, on your Apple Watch. This is truly the next level of cheating at school or university. I'm sure this video will impress you. I can't believe that I was able to run artificial intelligence search engine directly on my wrist. Thanks to my custom-made shortcut, I can access ChatGPT in a fraction of a second and get answers to any complex or difficult questions from all given fields. Guys, before starting the actual video, I want to emphasize the importance of studying. This video was made only for information and entertainment purposes. Don't do it yourself. But let's just imagine that tomorrow you have a really hard test and you physically don't have time to prepare yourself. In this case, this video is made for you. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech lifestyle oriented content. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. So my trick is really simple. I developed a special shortcut that will enable all the power of the artificial intelligence of ChatGPT service on your Apple Watch. How cool is that? For those of you who don't know what is ChatGPT, it's the most powerful and free artificial intelligence service. It's even more powerful than Google. The way ChatGPT works on my Apple Watch is really mind-blowing. It can answer any question, no matter the field, history, math, economics, science, fun questions, complex questions, difficult questions, weird questions, and so on. Also, it works not only in English, but in other languages as well. When I created the shortcut, I knew it will be mind-blowing, but I was not ready that it will impress me so much. So let me demonstrate it to you how it works in real life. I will ask ChatGPT on my Apple Watch several questions and we will see how it will answer them. Some of these questions will be really specific and tough. Artificial intelligence is way better than using web search or Siri or any other voice assistant. That's the power of AI. ChatGPT help. What are the disadvantages of communism? You see, it's a pretty difficult question.
1. Lack of economic freedom in a communist system. The government controls all aspects of economic production and distribution, leaving little to no room for individual economic freedom or choice. 2. Limited political freedoms. Communist governments often restrict political freedoms, such as speech and assembly, in order to maintain control over their citizens. 3. Poor work ethic. Without incentives like higher wages or promotions, workers may become apathetic about their jobs and lack motivation to work hard or innovate new ideas that could benefit society as a whole. 4. Inefficiency. Because the government is responsible for allocating resources in a communist system, it can be difficult for them to accurately assess what is needed where, which can lead to inefficient use of resources, resulting in shortages or surpluses depending on a situation at hand.
Main economic systems. The main economic systems are capitalism, socialism, and communism. Exactly. Key factors of sustainable development. Who built the biggest pyramid of Egypt? The Great Pyramid of Egypt, also known the Pyramid of Khufu, it was built by Pharaoh Khufu during his reign. How to say car in French? La voiture. Exactly. What is the price of Apple Watch Series 7? ChatGPT help. The main political systems in ancient Greece.
Were oligarchy, democracy, and tyranny. Oligarchy was a system of government in which power was held by a small group of wealthy citizens. Democracy was a system in which all citizens had equal rights and could
Hey Siri, ChatGPT help. Thank you so much, ChatGPT, for your precious help. You are so much more intelligent than Siri.
Thank you for the kind words. I'm glad to be of help. Respond or end conversation.
So how to install it on your device? It's really simple and fast. First, you have to create a free account at ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com and create your free account to use their artificial intelligence service. I will leave all the links in the description of this video. Next, go to platform.openai.com account API keys. Generate and copy your personal API key. Next, install my shortcut using the iCloud link provided in the description of this video. While installing, you will see a prompt window asking you to paste your API key. Paste your API key you just created on the ChatGPT website. Once the installation is completed, you're ready to go and use my ChatGPT help shortcut. Shortcuts is a visual scripting application available on iOS. If for some reason you don't have it on your iPhone, you can always download it from the App Store. It's totally free. Guys, I hope this video was useful and you enjoyed watching this crazy tutorial on how to use artificial intelligence on your Apple Watch. Actually, you can use my shortcut not only for cheating on exams, but also in your everyday life. We all know that Siri is pretty stupid and she's not able to answer any complex or diverse questions. Thanks to my shortcut, you'll be able to make Siri much more intelligent. Actually, you can run this shortcut using Siri command. Just launch Siri and say ChatGPT help. Siri will ask you for the input. The shortcut will automatically proceed your request and Siri will reply you using artificial intelligence. That way, you will be able to make your Siri voice assistant much more useful and intelligent. Finally, Siri will be useful on your iPhone not only for opening apps and setting timers, but also for any complex questions. What to do if you don't have an Apple Watch? If you don't have an Apple Watch, you can always run my shortcut on your iPhone. I also made another video about cheating on the Apple Watch. Check it out, it's very useful and fun. The link for the video will also be in the description. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.